Chewed the root. You don't ever want to chew the root with your RC car. Steve here, Shin RC. I'm with the Sand Scorcher. This is a body I painted up, a Lexan one. I never ran this before. So we're going to give it a whirl. I'm going to show you under the hood. See what she looks like. There's the body. It's a Lexan Parma one, I believe. There's what it looks like. In case you guys never seen one before. You gotta unscrew these things from the waterproof box. I have a wrench somewhere. I don't know where the hell I put it. Oh, here it is. Always losing everything. They're like Allens. You turn them. It unlocks. Push down. Find it coming up. There it is. Sorry for the shadow. Then this top comes off. And that's what it looks like inside. Alright, I'm going to put this stuff in here. I have a 2S LiPo and the beeper here. And we're going to take it for a run. Alright guys, she's all ready to go. We'll get some close, groovy snapshots of it in action also for you guys. Let's hit it. You know where I'm gonna head with this? Oh man, that rock. I just nailed a beauty. Look at that. You don't want to hit that beauty. Oh man, this grass is too deep for this beauty. Let's get the ball field. Over here don't look too bad. Just burning up my sand tires on that. I think my body's a little crooked. Gotta fix it. There we go. Right there. All right, ball field time. I have the gyro in this sucker. It's still out of control. Oh man. Oh, that was nice. Wrong way, the wind's blowing right in my face. Way over here. I gotta turn this gyro up. That's better, a little bit more. Check how the gyro's working. See if it's even working, that is. You can see when I turn it, the wheels move. That's the gyro effect. Oh, there goes my new body. Gotta break it in. This thing's crazy. storms. Yeah, check the lens. Still clean. Let's see over here on this rough stuff. This will be a nice challenge. You can see how rough this is. See what she could do here. Let's go. Look at that suspension. Oh yeah. Look at that suspension go. Oh, Nelly! She's a tough little cookie. Oh, I'm caught in the root. Chewed the root. Don't ever want to chew the root with your RC car. I like that bumpy stuff. Woohoo! Tell you one thing, stays a hell of a lot more in a straight line. The gyro, the radio link radio. Ha ha! Go, buggy, go. I just breathed in the dust. Holy crow, guys. Whew, I need some air. Alright, guys. That's it for this beauty. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did. I broke in my new painted Lexan body pretty damn good. Guys, if you like it, leave me a comment. Thumbs up would be awesome. And make sure to hit that bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Please share this video. Help me out. Support the channel. It'll be great. And Shen RC, we'll see you next time.